Alright guys, it is August 31st. Car's ready. We are ready. We got everything loaded. Everything should be good to go. Last points race for Fort Dodge. We will have mechanics race, powder puff, and then there's also going to be a officials race. So I'm going to be running my car in stock class. Mom's going to be running it in powder puff. Caleb's going to be running it in mechanics race. And then Kevin Berger is going to be running it in officials race. So it's going to be a busy night. We got plenty. We got 2 race jugs. We got one full of 110, and we're going to fill the other one with 91. But we got fuel. Should be good to go. Tires are good. I just got to grind them when we get to the track. But car's ready to go. We are on our way now.
Well, we made it to Fort Dodge and getting things unloaded. Where's he going?
Over yonder.
Hey. Sounds like that's him in the truck.
Yeah.
Testing brakes.
Everybody's wondering what the fuck he's doing with the fuck.
Yeah. Ray's getting ready to grind his tires.
Is it plastic or is it metal?
I think it's aluminum, but I could be wrong.
You don't need to record everything.
Now Sean's wearing that apron. Yep. Wait till the new one comes. It'll have ruffles.
Back here later. And if you don't get that guy's signature, he'll be here after.
Yep.
For a lot longer.
I text him. He's over with.
Yep. He'll be here later.
Okay.
There's
So
always
you have to-
somebody
you have to
around
stop
later.
down and get his autograph. He's the one that
Yep.
you want.
And you'll be able to see our pit. They'll be bright and lit up.
Okay.
Thanks, man.
Thanks for coming, dude. Did you get a hero card?
Yep.
Anybody wants to do hot laps, you need to
All right.
line up right now. Or
See ya.
See ya.
Bye.
Wish him luck.
So you gonna race already?
Soon. I will soon.
Good job, bud.
That track's fast right now.
Nobody
Hey,
was even close.
way to not pussyfoot around.
Well, I think Jimmy blocked quite a bit,
Yeah.
so that probably helped a lot.
Oh, yeah. How's that hybrid feel?
What?
Your
What'd you call it?
hybrid?
You say hybrid?
Yeah. What is it?
Hybrid or hybrid?
Hybrid.
It's like hybrid, like cross.
Hybrid.
I
Yeah.
thought you said hybrid.
No, hybrid. You know, his
How are
new
we getting
harness
on the
thing.
grammar now?
I don't know, because you're always correcting me.
No, I didn't hear you. I still
Oh.
had my receivers in. That's why it sounded like hybrid.
Yeah.
Hi, Brad.
It didn't seem to bother you.
No, I went in the first corner. I'm like, I'm not moving at all. Well, okay.
Yeah.
Seriously, I went in the first corner, did not move, did not bobble at all. I was like, okay, well, we're hammer down.
Yep.
The assist. Why can't you do that with my fucking hat next time? I don't have my hat here.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got a big head.
Oh, it's like winning the race at the NASCAR.
Yeah,
Good
pretty
job.
much.
Hey, you win tonight. It's gonna be cold and wet.
Just do it when I have my race suit off. That's all I ask. Well, actually, it might not
I
be.
see you racing.
I can watch.
Exactly. Might be a little tight, but it'll be good for one race.
I was good. Oh, still growing?
Huh?
You still growing? Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I lifted up that front
I'm
tire.
gonna see my foot.
Ooh. Number 3 is leaking gas.
You gotta get it kind of like, you gotta put your chest inside.
Caleb is getting all checked in for mechanics race, seeing what he's gonna do. So a little different from taking it out, huh?
Sit in there and put your feet. How is there a water bottle?
Interesting.
I didn't do it.
Let me pick that up. I better.
I'm fatter than you, right?
We can have you try on Corey's stuff too. His pants fit me.
Oh, God.
Put your feet down. It might be a little bit better. That's. I
Uh-oh.
mean, that's.
Something happened.
If you don't feel comfortable, you don't feel comfortable. I'm not gonna make you do it.
I'm going out.
They just called a red flag.
I don't have Corey's race seat on.
Yeah.
I think Dad's over there.
Hey,
I know he walked away.
how bad are the brakes?
I mean, they're definitely not there.
Really?
I mean, they're not bad.
Not compared to the first night?
No, they're not as bad as what it was for that first night, or they're not as good as what it was that first night.
Yeah.
They need to be better.
Just letting you know you have 3 car lengths ahead.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Well, it helps I had Jimmy blocking for me, so
Bungalon?
he didn't actually like purposely block. He just
Yeah.
blocked. Like he wasn't trying to. But yeah.
Too bad.
upper trailing arm and gave his mom a heart attack. Went to hug him when he got out and he laughed at me. That's good.
Did you not notice that it was him?
Not at first. I didn't.
I don't even know who yelled and said that's Ray. Cause like I looked at me and Tatum were talking. I looked up and I seen it. I was like, oh shit. I looked back at you like you were like.
I was trying to pay attention to recording and yeah,
And then you kind of like sat him and then somebody was like that's Ray. And you're like, oh shit.
yeah.
Then you were saying shit the entire way down. I was like, oh
Yeah.
fuck.
And it's all on here.
Yeah. Even you're probably throwing it.
Yeah.
In the cage looks good. At least that's nice. At least he's okay. Scared the shit out of me because I looked at Tatum and I was like, oh shit. She's like, what? She's like, oh fuck.
Yeah. That was a heart attack, man. Raymond, how you feeling?
He didn't shit his pants, he said.
My head hurts a little bit. I feel like my head hits the roof. As
Yeah.
soon as that last like plop right
Don't
down.
look at the roof.
Yeah.
I don't think it's supposed to look like that, but
No.
I'm glad I just bought that seat and that brace.
Yeah.
Otherwise I might have.
Yeah. That's why we spend the money on safety equipment.